Hi children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to see the summary of second chapter, that is understanding Windows 8.1. So in this chapter we have seen about operating system. First is operating system. So what we mean by operating system? So operating system is a software which provides a communication between us and computer, right? So without operating system, can we start up our computer? No, right? We need operating system to start on our computer. When we switch on the computer, the booting process will be happening, no? And that booting process, that operating system software will be stored in the CPU, and that booting process will be start on when we switch on the computer. Okay, that is operating system. And we saw the versions of Windows, right? We saw some versions, version 98, 95, Windows 2000 and Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7, Windows 7 Professional, and finally we saw Windows 8. Up to Windows 10 we are using, but our chapter is coming to Windows 8.1. So Windows 8.1, so Windows how we are using in the sense, so by using this types, these are all the types we done in the Windows 8, right? This and all we discussed in the interactive class. So what is operating system we saw, and under that operating system we have two types. Okay, the types of the operating system is single user operating system and multi-user operating system. So in single user operating system what we will do, we will use that Windows to a single user, that is for example our personal computer. And multi-user operating system, we will be using that operating systems as bulky systems. For example, we will be using in offices, we will be using in hospitals, railway stations, because they will be using nearly 100 computers, right? So there they will be using multi-user operating system. And if next topic we saw about Microsoft Windows. So what and all we did in the Windows 8.1, that we are going to see now. So I have taught the practical class in the sign in, how to sign into the Windows, right? 8.1. First the screen will be appearing and we need to sign in. After that sign in, the password window will be opened. After the password window we need to give password, then we need to sign in the Windows screen. The Windows screen has some tiles, and we saw many tiles now in the shape of squares and rectangles, and those tiles have some apps, and those are all the apps tiles. So some tiles will be weather report, money tile, and some desktop tile. We saw many tiles, right? Yes. So how to start up the screen we discussed in the interactive session, as well as I taught you how to use the hot corners, right? How to change the date and time, as well as how to close the windows. So this process and all done in the practical session in the interactive classes, right? So I hope you will be familiar with this Windows 8.1 by using this Windows, right? So children, please try once again in your home, then it will be easier for you to use operating system, that is Windows 8.1. Okay children, let us meet in next video. Thank you. Take care.